Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is David Wicks. I'm Vice President of Listings here at NASDAQ, and it's truly my great pleasure to welcome American Resources Corporation and Chairman and CEO Mark Jensen. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to members of the management team and employees who join us here today from Fishers, Indiana, or wherever you are, as we get set to virtually ring the NASDAQ closing bell right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York. American Resources Corporation is a next generation, environmentally and socially responsible supplier of high quality raw materials to the new infrastructure market. The company began in 2015 when the founding partners have since successfully consolidated and restructured 5 mining complexes with a focus on repositioning them to better fit the modern day and emerging economy. American Resources Corporation has been listed with NASDAQ for almost 2 years, and since then has continued to reaffirm its commitment to ESG initiatives by bringing real and lasting positive change to the communities in which it operates. Recent achievements include efficiently reducing bonded environmental liabilities by over $20 million that were acquired from previously bankrupt companies, initiated its rare earth element division to extract critical and rare earth minerals in an environmentally positive and sustainable way, and to help reestablish this supply chain back to the United States. It has created over 100 jobs in an economically distressed region while ensuring the average pay for their employees is over 200% more than a minimum wage in the region. Mark, NASDAQ is proud to be your partner, and we look forward to watching the company continue to grow and your inspiring commitment to sustainability. Congratulations. Now, please join me in welcoming American Resources Chairman and CEO, Mark Jensen.
I'm excited and honored to have the opportunity to ring the NASDAQ closing bell today. For many, this has been a year of resiliency, of reinvention, as well as teamwork. 3 attributes that clearly define our company, American Resources Corporation. Our business model involves reinventing a legacy industry to fit a modern day economy, whereby we can supply raw materials to both the infrastructure market as well as the electrification market efficiently and effectively. Our operating divisions, American Carbon, American Metals, and American Rare Earth, are built to leverage the owned assets that we have today to provide accretive jobs to the local community, as well as to maximize the long-term return on invested capital for our shareholders. American Carbon is aggressively expanding its revenue base today. American Metals is expanding not only its shipments, but also its distribution points. And American Rare Earth is completely disrupting the supply chain and the domestic marketplace for rare earth and critical elements. We are thankful for the opportunity we have in front of us and promise to our team, to our investors, and to our stakeholders that we will stop at nothing until we achieve success for all involved. In closing, I would like to thank the tireless and dedicated men and women we have on our team who have worked so hard to position our company to be a strong and steady supplier to the infrastructure and electrification marketplace. Thank you.